1954 Chevrolet 3100 Street Rod here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 5.3 liter Vortec V8 underneath the hood. It's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission, 4L60E to be exact. Nicely equipped with power steering, power brakes. Love these front ends. Take a look at the chrome on this one. Headlight surrounds, more of a modern headlight also installed, looks like with the halo. Chrome and bright work. Nice and shiny, looks good up front. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You'll be able to see the engine bay, the undersides, interior. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all those still pics. If you're seeing this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you to our website where you can see the pics. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Disc brakes up front, Coy's wheels. Also left the passenger side window up. I wanted to remember to tell you it does have tinted glass, so know your local and state laws as far as the percentage of window tint that you can have. Bright white paint, black interior. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. We'll also take a peek underneath the hood, show you that engine bay. And at the very end of this video, we're going to take this car for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Rear wheels, a little more of a deep dish. Good looking wheel on this truck. Composite bed in it. Fuel tank has been moved to the rear. Fill is right there, as you can see. Battery relocated under the driver's floor. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Chrome bumper looking good in the back. And you can see inside the bed of this truck. Very nice shape. Well done. Once again, still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're into street rods, maybe mid-50s pickups, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, these vehicles are available to purchase online or right off our showroom floor. If you can make it see us in person, we always like that. See, paint has a nice shine to it. Looks good over here on the driver's side also. When we pop the hood, a few things to check out is going to be aluminum radiator. This has shorty headers with true dual exhaust, 3-inch, I believe they were. You'll be able to see that from the underside. So a few things to take a peek at when we pop this hood. First, let's check out this interior, and we're going to start it up. Door panel. So newer carpeting, obviously added, black vinyl seat. Tilt column. Dolphin gauges. Nice, clean, simple look to this truck. Nice looking interior. Let's go ahead and fire it up. All right, you can see fuel gauge came up, voltmeter. No need to pump this one. Dolphin gauge showing, what, 1,838 miles. What do we have over here? That was a cold start, so I won't expect temp to be up. There you can see volts, oil pressure, and fuel. Nice sounding too. Nothing too over the top as far as exhaust goes. Let's go check out that engine bay. And like I said, stick around to the very end of this video. We are going to take this truck down the road. Jason will show you how it drives out. All right, hood popped. There you can see the top of the aluminum radiator that I mentioned. Painted plenum cover to match. Cold air intake out the front. 5.3 liter Vortec. Sets in there quite nice. Sounds good, looks good. There you can see those shorty headers. And like I said, if you look at the underside picture, you can see true dual exhaust going to the rear. And then that automatic with overdrive 4L60E transmission, paired up, power steering, power brakes. A little street rod action for you. 1954 Chevrolet 3100 pickup. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1954 Chevrolet 3100 pickup with a lot more power than it had back in the day. I got a little squeak out of the brakes. We have nice gauges from Dolphin. Volts are idling at almost 14. Temperature 180. Fuel gauge showing half of a tank. The oil pressure is about 50 psi. This is an automatic on the column, which makes it super easy to drive. Nice quality parts at aftermarket column on this truck. Comfortable bench seat in this truck. You may see a couple sprinkles on the windshield. The weather is teasing with us a little bit today, but not raining hard or anything like that. Looking good, all white with some black treatment on the inside for the carpet, seats, top of the door panels, the headliner. It's a good look. Gray boards in the bed appear to be composite, which is a nice feature. They're never going to have any trouble with the weather. But for the little bit of squeak I get, the brakes are working well. And this truck corners nicely. It doesn't lean very much. Stays nice and level in the corner. Now you can hear that awesome exhaust note when you put your foot down. Plenty of power for this truck. Really nice looking 54 Chevrolet. Take a look at all the pictures and learn about this truck at uniqueclassiccars.com.